Sullivan Brill personal injury attorneys handle motorcycle accident lawsuits in Mt Kisco, New York by investigating the crash, gathering evidence, and building a strong case for injured riders. Our firm is dedicated to securing maximum compensation for medical bills, lost wages, and the long-term impact of motorcycle injuries. Call us today to protect your rights and secure the compensation you deserve. Are you looking for a motorcycle accident lawyer near me? You can stop looking. You found Sullivan Brill personal injury attorneys. What if the other driver was uninsured or underinsured? We will pursue your own uninsured/underinsured motorist, UM/UM, coverage and any available supplementary policies, SUM. New York requires some coverage up to certain limits on most motorcycle policies. Will my helmet use affect my claim? Not wearing a helmet does not prevent you from seeking compensation. However, it may impact the calculation of damages depending on the extent of injuries. What is your service area for Mt Kisco, New York? Our motorcycle accident lawsuits has helped clients in Mt Kisco, Bedford Hills, Bedford, Millwood, Chappaqua, Croton-on-Hudson, Katona, Pleasantville, Thornwood, Armonk, Pound Ridge, Hawthorne, Lewisboro, Briarcliff Manor, Ossining, Goldens Bridge, Valhalla, Cortland, Elmsford, New York. Where is your Mt Kisco, New York law firm located? We are located at 118 North Bedford Road, Mt Kisco, New York 10549. Our phone number is 914-477-5766. Visit our website, www.sullivanbrillfirm.com/personal-injury-lawyer-Mount-Kisco-NY.